Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to class 15 in the lecture series on writing an effective resume. In this video, we shall try to understand what is declaration, why declaration is important on a resume, and what is a signature. Well, declaration is generally written at the bottom of the resume. This will be the last column on the resume. So, this statement, declaration, is an assurance that every piece of information written on your resume is correct. So it's like you're authenticating it, not someone else, but you. For all the information that you provided on resume, you're authenticating it. Mentioning a declaration statement can strengthen the intent of your resume and help in emphasizing your professionalism. It is not that you will be attending every interview in your college premises. You have to sometimes go out of your college and attend some drives where you are representing on your own, not by your college. So it is very important that you carry all the information like photocopies of all the memos and proofs for all the information that you mention on your resume. So there you authenticate to them that through a declaration statement saying that all the information that is provided is true. That is actually a part of professionalism. So it is very good on your part if you write your declaration, even though that is not actually very mandatory. But anyways, so why declaration is important? Yes, it increases credibility, it prevents possible frauds, and reinforces professionalism. And I want to show you some sample declarations what generally are written. You need not copy the same things, but definitely this you can carry the essence of the statements what are given here. For example, I hereby declare that all the information given above is true and correct to the best of my knowledge is a simple declaration statement which is majorly used. Or, I solemnly declare that the information in this resume is true to the best of my knowledge and belief. I hereby confirm and verify that all the information mentioned here, and I take full responsibility of its accuracy and authenticity. So these are some samples which you can use. And coming to signature, after writing declaration, if you don't sign, it is of no use. But it is always important to sign the document before submitting it to the interviewer. Signature with a date tells the interviewer that you are aware of what you are submitting. So carry a resume and sign with your pen along with the same date when you are attending the interview. Sign the document before you upload your resume. If you are uploading it in any portal, then sign it with that particular date. Scan your resume and add transparent image of your signature. If you have signed it on a hard copy, then you can just make it a PDF using your mobile and upload it in those portals. Or else, if you are uploading a soft copy, then ensure that you sign on a paper, preferably a white clean paper. Take the snap of your signature, remove the background, make it a transparent background. There are many tools available on internet to remove the background from any image, which makes an image transparent. Like this, it is shown here. So your name in brackets, over that a transparent signature. So please do sign the document before you submit. Generally, a resume which is submitted with a signature will be, interviewer thinks you are on the toes, and who submits a resume without their signature will be considered as casual going, or they are careless. So it is very important to sign the document before you submit it in any form. Well, that's it in this video. In the next video, we'll try to see what fonts and what formats are preferred for a resume. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such useful information.